Alright guys, a quick one right here. Everybody that did Tomatoes airdrop, quickly rush this update now. Immediately head straight to your BitGet wallet, ASAP, so that you place your own charge for this free giveaway that is coming. So it doesn't matter whether you did their what is it called, this last option they bring, tickets or be what it called. So just make sure you do this, okay? Once you open your BitGet wallet, first thing you have to do is to come to wallet. Then this upper section, I hope you guys can see abnormal network come out. This place you see Aptos, you click on it. In your own case, you may see all mainnet or turn or anything. Just come to this search bar, look for Aptos. Hope you guys can see I've already enabled it. In your own, you just click the plus sign right here and it will be activated. After you've activated the Aptos, the next thing is to come to this discover right here. Then you see this Telegram tap to earn blah blah blah, this 7p. Click on it so that you too will follow for people that will get a share of the 7 billion tomatoes. So once it's so close like this, you type this word, it's Toma time. See, it's Toma time. Okay, sorry. Alright, it's Toma time. Hope you guys can see the way I wrote it. Then you hit on submit. Then you will see secret code accepted. It's as simple as that. Your wallet has been accepted into the treasure hunt. So this is just how to do it. So quickly rush this update and submit your own wallet. So that is just it. Thank you guys for watching.